Hi, I'm Brian Burns. I'm the director of Karis Home, our safe house for teen girls. Karis comes from the Greek Karis, meaning grace. We want this house to be a house of grace for girls coming in. We're going to have various rooms in the house that hopefully will provide that sense of grace and peace. We don't know what these girls are going to have experienced, but we want them when they come in to recognize that this is a safe place, the place where hopefully God is going to do a wonderful work in their lives. So we've got an entrance coming in. It'll be a welcoming space. It'll be a space where people can do some exercise. And then we have a dining room that we will sit around the table and eat together as a family type scenario, a wonderful kitchen that will be used by the girls to learn how to cook and do these various things. A kind of an arts sunroom where they'll play music, do arts and crafts. A living room where we hope it'll be a place for them to be safe and comfortable. And then an education room where they will study, they will learn what God wants them to learn. We'll have an education facilitator who will help them.
Hi, my name is Kylie Walker and I'm the resident care coordinator here at Karis Home. And we are currently in the loft, and this will be a space that I will get to work individually with each girl to create a care plan for them. They'll get counseling services up here as well. And their care plans are just going to go over things that they need to learn that they weren't given the opportunity to learn. Daily living skills, things like cooking in the kitchen or doing their laundry, those basic things that we usually learn when we're a teenager or when we're younger, but they just haven't had that opportunity. So we have 3 bedrooms here that can house up to 5 different girls at one time. All 3 bedrooms have been sponsored by generous sponsors within our community. So we are still working towards making these bedrooms cozy and comfortable so that each one of these girls can know that it is their own space, their own bed, that they can sleep in and know that they are free from being exploited there.
We want Karis Home to be a place where these girls can come to know the Lord ultimately, to be safe, to grow, and to be all that God wants them to be. And we thank you for your interest. God bless.